Hello guys, welcome to another video where you will get to see and learn gun strategy. Today we will trade in gold versus US dollar, in which you will be shown taking trades with proper technical analysis. If you want to learn my more strategies, so I have made a playlist of every strategy on this channel. There you can get good information about all the strategies of Forex. I have $4,500 in this account, which will grow with proper psychology and risk management. I am increasing the lot size according to my account, which I have already calculated. I am using 0.15 lot here. See you after placing trade. Guys, we have started making huge profit. Let's see how much we can increase it. Now let me explain to you why I placed the sell trade. The market is going down for the last 3 to 4 days. We also place trades in the same direction, because there is more chance that you will get profit in the trend of the market until someone gives a breakout or no negative news comes. Let's first create trend channel, for which take the trend line and put it on the downside towards the lower high. Take one more trend line and put it on the lower low side. Connect all the points well so that we can get the correct analysis. It will act as trend line support. Market is making lower low lower high according to our trend channel. Market is going down here with resistance near trend line, which gave us selling opportunity here. The entry is perfect. We placed the trade at the right time here. We create another trend channel because the previous trend of the market was an uptrend. For this, again take trend line and put it on the higher low of the uptrend. This will let you know exactly that the market has changed its trend less, which will make it easier for you to understand both trends. We will take the trend line again and connect it at the higher high of the uptrend, which was acting like trend line resistance for us. The previous trend of the market was a downtrend. This gives an idea of the nature of the market. Here you can see that the market gave a breakout with a big red candle. This candle is made of CPI news where gold was in negative. Now we have to create supply-demand zone from where the market resistance or support is taken. It will be easy for us to place stop loss. For this, we will take the rectangle tool, which will be placed in this place. We can call this the previous strong reversal level of the market. Always build support resistance zone where the market has reversed several times. With this, anytime the market will come here in the future, you will get an indication that the market could reverse here. At this place the market first took support, later broke it and made resistance, which shows that support before resistance strategy is also being applied here. All these points are the most important because the market is reacting at this place every time. This time also the market will go down from here. If we look at the analysis, it is pointing down. We have taken the entry in the right direction. If the market doesn't go down from here, it will break the trend line and go up. Where our stop loss will be, there are only two roads to the market: either hit stop loss or hit the target. There is no other way but. Here my stop loss will be outside the trend line, which is up 118 pips. If market breaks above trend line, then our trade will be closed. And my target point will be on the new lower low, which is down 212 pips. Market is going down with strong moves since last few hours, which will help us to hit the target. Guys, our profit has become $537, which is a good thing. We will try to increase it. I quickly place stop loss and target. Here our work is over. Now let's see the reaction of the market. This is our gun strategy, where you are getting to see a pattern like a gun. The same strategy one have already told in the video. You can also use this strategy, but before that you should practice in charts, so that you can easily trade on such patterns in future. If you want to learn any other strategy, then you can learn from free video in my channel playlist. If you want to learn another strategy, so you can learn from free video on YouTube. But before that you should retest that strategy in the live market and see if that strategy is working properly or not. Always follow your rules and don't close the trade before the stop loss and target is hit. Such small steps will make you a profitable trader. Let's see you after some time. It's so bad with you. The market is going against us. It will hit the stop loss. The market is breaking our trend line. We got this setup failed, but we got to see trend line breakout. Guys, let me tell you that anything can happen in the market. There is 100% nobody here. All my trades are about to close as the market is nearing a stop loss. Trade is finally closed automatically where we have loss. Here we have followed our rules so that we can score by following the proper risk management. Always think from the second perspective in the market that this can happen in the market too. Always follow proper risk management, by which you lose in a trade, and even if you make profit in another trade, you will still be in profit. Here the market is going up with full volume. Let's see how high it will go.
A few minutes later.
Our analysis turned out to be correct. Market has given a real breakout here, because the market has broken the supply-demand zone trend line as well. Now the market may go down for retest where we can get good buying opportunity. Here the market will change its trend again and will go up making higher high higher low, where we can take trade on higher low again and again. That's how the market always works. It's so simple, don't look like it's harder. Okay guys, till then, in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.